Hello everyone, today we are going to make the project water level indicator. So let us see the components. We need a breadboard, 3 BC547 NPN transistor, 3 LED, 4 470 ohm resistor, 2 1 kilo ohm resistor, 1 battery snapper, some jumper wire. First of all, we will place the transistors on the breadboard. So this is the NPN transistor. If we see the flat side towards ourselves, then the left terminal is the collector, the middle is the base, and on the right side we have the emitter. Now place the transistor on the breadboard. Place all the 3 transistors on the breadboard. Now take the 470 ohm resistor and connect them at the collector of the transistor and the other terminal on the positive line of the breadboard. Take an LED, connect the positive of the LED on the emitter of the transistor and the negative on the negative line of the breadboard. Now connect a 1 kilo ohm resistor on the base of the transistor and other terminal on the breadboard. Then connect another 1 kilo ohm resistor on the second transistor base and other terminal on the breadboard, and on the last transistor connect a 470 ohm resistor. Connect is one terminal on the base and other terminal on the breadboard. Now take some jumper wires and connect them at the other terminal of the resistor. Now take another wire and connect it to the positive line of the breadboard. Now take the battery snapper, connect the red wire on the positive line and the black wire on the negative line. So we have brought a container with some water. Now first place the wire connected to the positive line of the breadboard on the water. Now as I put the wires on the water, the LED will turn on. But as soon as I remove the wire from the water, the LED will turn off. Thank you.